So friends, in this lecture we will learn about a stacked area chart and the advantages and conditions in which we can use stacked area chart. Now you can see on the screen there are sales of three products, product P1, P2, P3, and the total annual sales of different years 2019, 20 and similar. So if I want to have a chart of the products only, well, basic comparison of the product, that which product is overall having higher sales or least sales among the three within a single visualization, we can find it out. We can go to recommended charts, go to all charts, go to area, and in the area you have seen this, the stacked area, and you can select the stack chart like this. This is a stack chart and say okay, and now you are having the stack chart. Now if we see this figure, we can easily identify that the middle red color area is quite more than the other two blue or green areas. So we can assume surely by single visualization that product of P2 is having higher sales than other products. Now you see, again another thing is that in this chart, if we find out there are only 5 years and 3 products, this could be more helpful if we are having 20 years or 12 months for 5 years, that means 60 months comparison sales with 5 or 6 or 10 products, then it would be more helpful in those cases. Now another thing, like if I want to increase the total sales in the same chart, then I have to click on the chart, and then here the selected area is visible, and I have to drag out this blue line to the right to include the remaining area, and you see the remaining area, that means the total sales is also showing up. The below 3 are showing the sales of 3 products, and the above area is showing up the sales of the total products. We can also make a right click on and add data labels to different areas, choice like this, right? You can add data labels also. Now see, one thing is that if we would like to know that which of these regions is having how much sale among the total sales, then we can have another chart, and let us see that chart. Again select the area, the total area including the total sales, go to insert, recommended charts, all charts, area charts, and you see you can have this 3D stack chart which give a very good comparison of that what is the total sales and what are the other sales in comparison to the total sales. Now if you want to see only the sales of product P1 and not of product P2, then I can select this product P1, P2 and P3, right click and hide. As soon as I hide it, it just shows me the P1 sales and the total sales, so I can easily visualize it what is the contribution of the P1 in the total sales. And if I want it back, I can unhide it again, and I want to hide, if let us say P1 and want to see P2 and P3 in that, then I can have P2 and P3. If you see on the right hand side, it is written P1, P2, P3 sales of the total sales, and in the year, in the front it's written the in which year what are the sales. You want to add data labels, you can select the chart, and on this plus sign you can go there and you can click on data labels, and all data labels can come at the same time also.